Welcome back, explorers. Episode 6 of Jeju Diaries brings us to Ilchul Land, a place where nature, history, and culture intertwine. Now, while you can wander freely, I recommend following this blue line. It's like a treasure map, guiding us to the heart of Ilchul Land's wonders. This once barren land has transformed into a living testament to one man's dream. Imagine this: 40 years ago, this was a desolate wasteland. But with dedication and a vision, it's now a thriving botanical garden, contributing to Jeju's vibrant tourism. This pond is a perfect spot to pause, reflect, and just breathe. Every corner of these gardens tells a story of growth, resilience, and the beauty of nature. From barren land to a botanical marvel, Ilchul Land is a testament to the power of dreams and dedication. And right here in Ilchul Land lies the Michon Cave, a subterranean wonder. Check out our dedicated vlog on it for a deep dive. As we venture towards the village, our blue guide transforms into a path of stones, leading us back in time. Now, this is Jeju's ancient meteorologist, a weather forecasting stone. I wonder what it predicts for today. This room is like a time capsule. From the horse statue to the rustic items, it paints a vivid picture of village life from yesteryears. Winter homes for cattle, complete with a grain mill. It's fascinating to see how intertwined life was with these gentle giants. From the outer quarters, where the head of the household and guests resided, to the bustling inner quarters, the heart of family life. It's like stepping into a living history book. Before the convenience of taps, these jars were essential. Imagine the effort it took to fill these up. Just by walking here, or even sitting to admire the view, we're benefiting from the healing powers of nature. The trees release phytoncides, which help reduce inflammation in our bodies and lower stress levels. Each statue here tells a tale, embodying different concepts and stories. It's art and history combined. Thanks for joining us on this journey through time. Stay curious and see you in the next episode of Jeju Diaries.